Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust screen brightness in Windows 11. Now this is going to be different if you are using PC or laptop. If you are using a laptop, for example, it's going to be easier. I'm going to show you here. So display brightness adjustment for laptop, most of the time it's gonna be found on the keyboard. So you can say hold function key, or sometimes you can just go ahead and press the F11 and F12 and it's gonna adjust the brightness for you. Another thing that you can do usually is if you head over to the settings, you can just go ahead and type brightness and you should see this brightness option right here. You can actually adjust from here if you want. This is if you are using a laptop. Now, if you are using a PC, for example, it's going to be a different story. For PC, we don't have that option. That's why earlier it was grayed out. Usually, it will be found in your monitor. So your monitor has different option to do that. So you can go ahead and find what kind of monitor you're using. In my case, for example, Xiaomi, there is a button similar to this one right here. So I can go ahead and make some adjustment by clicking that one. Another thing is sometimes it could look like this, like a vertical buttons behind your keyboard. Sometimes it's even found on the lower or the bottom right. So yeah, identify your monitor and then try to search for that one. Now another alternative that we can use is called dim screen. So I want you to go ahead and look for dim screen. Click this one right here, and you're just going to simply download this one. And then after downloading, you can install this. This is a very simple application, and it's actually free as well. Now, one thing that you can do once you have already installed this one is enable it, and then you can right click on it and then adjust the dim depending on your liking. For example, 90% is going to look like that, and then back to 0. And you can also go ahead and hit the settings here and adjust a hotkey depending on your choice, or depending on the hotkey of your choice. Now, I've already added mine. I'm gonna hit OK, and yeah, that's about it. That's the easiest way to adjust screen brightness in Windows 11.